Hey guys, Wasif here from SafeNest Solutions. We've just finished off another garage and gate automation for a customer. The customer was sick and tired of using two different key fobs when they'd arrive home to open the gate and then open the garage. So what we've done is we've set up gate automation so that from anywhere around the world, as long as the home and the phone is connected to the internet, he's now able to open his front gate from the app, as well as open the garage door from the app, which I'll show you in a second. And from the tap on the app, you can see the garage door opening. If you're interested in getting a system like this installed, reach out to SafeNest Solutions.